All right, so we're here at Dreamforce 24. The big news coming out of Dreamforce is Agentforce, and Asymbl was really honored to be included as part of that launch with the Asymbl Recruiter Agent. And James, I'm curious to get your take. What do you feel like the impact is going to be on the software landscape with Agentforce?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I think something as implementation partners we've been looking forward to for a while. One of the cool things about attending Dreamforce year after year, which I've been able to do, is be a part of these keynotes, hear what's coming. And so we've heard about customer data platform, we've heard then Genie, and then Data Cloud, and it's important for us to be able to translate that value to the customer. And I think the news we got this week that's really groundbreaking about Agentforce really helps tie this long story over several years together on how we provide that value to the customer. Data Cloud and that harmonization layer is going to lead to making these agents more and more and more useful with more and more and more useful data. And I think Blueprint as an implementer is in a unique position because of this collaboration we've had with Salesforce around the recruiter agent for us to really get out in front and understand maybe earlier than others how we are able to build agents, not just in the recruiting world, but for all of our customers. How is it going to help in service? How is it going to help in manufacturing? How is it going to help in professional services? All these different, these other different use cases will be able to really be on the cutting edge of and provide solutions soon. And this is not a maybe in the future thing, it's a now thing. And that's a really a great opportunity.